Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at home. Mr. Bear's at work. I'm about to go see him in a little bit. I just finished editing the part 2 to my life update weight loss video. So I thought I would turn on the camera and do another type of video, like a relationship advice video. So to start off, I'm like disgusting. I'm in like PJs. I'm just gross. Anyway, so to start off this vlog, I am going to visit my little bear at work. I'm gonna bring him a sandwich for dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along and then I will get into that video. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. All right guys, so I just finished giving Gonzalo his sandwich for dinner tonight at his work. So I basically just wanted to make this video about like relationship issues or advice or things of my knowledge that I would like to share with the world. So I guess to start, I'll just say that Gonzalo and I have been dating for, it'll be 3 years this Christmas. We started dating on Christmas of 2015. I met him at my old job at Dunkin' Donuts before I was a medical assistant. So yeah, from there it's history and that's it. No, I'm just kidding. So we started dating and it was, I swear, just instant. Like, I knew, like, obviously he's been in previous relationships before, I've been in previous relationships before, but with him I just knew. And it's like with anything in life that you receive, whatever you receive, sometimes you are like, I don't know if this is for me, whether that be a job, a relationship, or a house, or whatever. But once you get something, sometimes you just know. And with Gonzalo, I just know, like, this is it. Like, he is mine, and that's it. He doesn't have a choice. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I just knew. And you know, we don't have the most perfect relationship. We don't. No one does. So if there's somebody out there who you think has a perfect relationship, whether that be in real life or online, it is not true. People argue, people get into fights, people disagree. Nobody is, you know, agreeing on everything. A lot of people like to make it seem like they agree on everything or they have so many things in common, and that's just not reality. I mean, everybody is different for a reason. So it's not, obviously you're going to be with people who are most like you, and he is the most like me in many ways. But then in many ways we are completely opposites, which is really good because then we balance each other out. You have to balance each other out or there's no room for growth and improvement. But the main things that I wanted to hit on today is that, you know, him and I do argue. A lot of people, I feel like, think that we don't argue or that we're just like perfect or something, and that's not true. But we seem that way because we work out our issues. If we have a disagreement or if life gets really difficult and we're stuck in a really shitty situation, we have to talk. If you don't talk and you let things just bottle up and bottle up and bottle up, then there's gonna be an explosion. There's gonna be things that weren't meant to be said. There's gonna be maybe even a breakup because you think that, oh, this one bad thing happened and we never talked about it and it's just not worth it anymore. I'm still mad. I didn't get over it yet. Well, that's because you didn't talk about it. Or maybe you don't talk at all. Maybe you don't do things together like you did in the beginning. And then bad things happen between the other person. People are not loyal anymore. People are not faithful anymore. And that's all because they don't talk. I feel like if more people were to talk, then they would figure out their issues more. Like, hey, you know, our routine has become really routine with like work, dinner, and that's it. And then we go to bed, and then it's really routine, and I'm bored. You know, it's okay to be bored. Like, if you want to be with somebody forever, you're gonna be bored at times. It's not always gonna be, oh, let's do this weekend, let's do this weekend, let's do this now, blah, 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 blah. You know, sometimes life is gonna be shit. Sometimes life is gonna be really fucking shitty. And it's gonna suck. And your relationship is gonna suck, and it's not gonna be perfect. However, if you're feeling some type of way, then you need to say something. Hey, you know, I'm kind of like getting into a routine. I'm kind of feeling like flatlining a little bit in our relationships. What's something we can do to change that? What's something we can do to upgrade and improve our relationship and maybe take it a step further? You know, try different things together. Figure out what shows you can binge watch together, or what places you guys could go together, or food you can make together. Like, one thing that Gonzalo and I really like is YouTube, and we want to start vlogging together again, obviously, but life has definitely kicked us in the fucking ass, so it's been really difficult. So, which is why, like, we haven't done it, because we can't really afford to go anywhere to vlog and do things. So my point is, if any of you are watching this and you're going through a, you know, a hard time in your relationship, or someone in the relationship has done something wrong, as far as, I don't want to say abuse, because no one should take abuse. If you are being abused in a relationship, please tell someone. Tell someone it is okay, and you deserve to be helped and put in a better situation. But I mean, faithfully or unfaithfully, and someone's been unfaithful, or they're just disconnecting. Say something. Say something out loud. Let it fall out of your mouth. It's not gonna hurt anything. It'll make things better. And maybe there'll be an argument, but it'll be out there, and things will be said, and it will make you feel better. And time will heal that. And you also have to decide, this is something I can't decide for anyone. It's something that somebody else needs to decide in their own relationships. You need to decide when enough is enough, and what you can handle. Like, some people stay with people who are unfaithful, and then they get over it, and it never happens again, and it, you know, everything falls back into place. It was a mistake. They'll never do it again. So some people are okay with that. Other people are like, you know what? I can't handle that. I don't think I'll be able to get over that. So I'm going to leave. So you need to make up your mind as to what is okay for you, and how far you're willing to take your relationship until enough is enough. Luckily, I am so lucky to be with someone who is extremely faithful, who completely just adores me, and I know that. And that's another thing. You need to tell people that you love them. If you are in love with them, obviously. Don't just fucking say it because, you know, you want to be an asshole. No. If you love someone, then you need to tell them. Especially as the relationship goes on. Like, sometimes people feel like, you know, maybe because you haven't said it often and you just expect them to know that they love you because they're still there. That's not necessarily true. It needs to be said out loud to their face, not just over a text message. out loud to their face and tell them like, hey, you know, like, I'm proud of you with things you're doing, I love you, things like that, just so they know. It's never a bad thing to keep reminding someone how you feel about them, because that reassures them of things like that. So I'm very lucky to have somebody like that, and he is just amazing, and I plan on, you know, marrying him if he wants to one day, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so I just wanted to touch on that for anyone who's feeling some type of way in a relationship. I want to make this channel, you know, about anything and anything, not just makeup, because in a way I do want to help people through my own experiences online. Through the internet is how I want to help them. So yeah, that's why I wanted to come in here and do that, because for now the makeup is going to have to wait, because I'm a broke ass bitch. I'm broke. So I won't be buying much. So I'm just gonna try to think of things that I could do vlog style, because I actually kind of like the vlog style. Let me know what you guys think. I'm in the process of uploading part 2, like I said in the beginning, so if you watch that already, please just drop a comment in the below if you think I should keep doing vlog style, because I will until well, I'll probably keep doing it even when I start doing, oh my god, I had the hiccups, makeup things again. So yeah, just let me know what else you want me to talk about, or if there's any experiences you've had that you'd like me to share my experiences on. Drop a comment down below and I will definitely do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.